Hello everyone, today I will show you how to delete API key in OpenAI. And here's how it's done. 1. Log in to OpenAI. Go to OpenAI's platform and sign into your account. 2. Navigate to API keys. Click on your profile icon, top right corner. Select View API keys from the drop-down menu. 3. Find the key to delete. Locate the API key you want to remove from the list. 4. Delete the API key. Click the trash bin icon next to the key. Confirm the deletion when prompted. Important notes: deleted API keys cannot be recovered. If you need access again, you must generate a new key. Update your apps or scripts to replace the deleted key if necessary. And that's everything you need to know about how to delete API key in OpenAI. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.